My brother is afraid of the Ninja Turtle head.
Well, it's a little scary.
But it's not scary to me.
His eyes are pretty creepy right now.
Damn.
What does it feel like?
It feels like teeth.
Be gentle though, okay? That's gonna pay for your college education one day.
But when it breaks up, then it's not.
Yeah, you're right. Once it breaks, it's not gonna be as valuable. That's true.
Yeah. Dad, no, wait. I'm sure I could wear your Ninja Turtle leg. Then I'm sure I could wear your Ninja Turtle leg.
You want to put the head on?
No, only the leg on.
Why don't we put the head on?
No, it's too heavy.
You want to try it? I'll hold it for you.
Yeah.
You want to try it?
I want to.
Okay, let's try it. Here, you hold this.
Hmm. I'll hold it.
Go ahead, put it inside.
Okay, take it off. I can carry it. Oh. Dad, I'm letting it go now.
Okay, don't drop it though. You have a piece of the turtle on your hair.
Then take it off. Good.